Hi. Well, this is week 9. We're moving right along. Let's see, so 6 more weeks, that's all. Anyway, I wanted to start by saying this saying by Grace Hopper. A ship in port is safe, but it is not what ships are built for. Sail out to sea and do new things. And Grace Hopper is a really important person in computer history. And if you want to find out more, you can click on the link for that when it comes up in the news feed when you pull up my class. So here are the postings for this week questions and announcements. And so I guess there was a problem with drop-down lists, the database for it. So I fixed that. And then I also had some helpful videos here. About concepts that you might find interesting for your final project. And then someone asked about how to go and read the feedback that I give in a supplemental activity. So I created a video here, and you can watch that. I don't think it's very long. And let's see, there was a question about Module 5 and whether you should set a folder as a trusted folder. And I said yes, it was fine. So I think that's it right there for announcements. So we'll go over here and we'll go to the content. And you're going to be in your reading Introduced to Forms. And you want to start thinking about doing your forms draft version of your final project. Okay. And then down here it talks about reading the first module about forms that we have. So we're starting forms, is what I mean. So anyway, this is in your book, and you can do the textbook project for it. There is a textbook project for this module so that you can read and follow along and then submit it for extra credit. And here is a handout about how to make your forms attractive. It's not very long. Here is practice training and SAM Quiz 9. Your data collection. I've been talking about it for quite a while these weeks, and it's finally due come April. Let me see. April 2nd. Yeah. All these things will be due on April 2nd. Now, the one thing I want to point out is next week is spring break. And so usually everything would be due on the 25th, but because it's spring break, then it's due on, it would be due on the 26th, excuse me. So now it's due on the 2nd. So you have a little bit of time. Anyway, so there's SAM Quiz 9, data collection is due, Essay 15, the queries, and you want to post about using good form design, and your tables draft will be due, and then finally a weekly check-in. So anyway, there you are. And I think that there isn't really anything special in here that needs explaining, really. So I think you should be okay. Yeah, and if you have trouble in your queries on this supplemental activity, make sure you go back to the book because a lot of the information in the book is what is also reviewed in this supplemental activity. And don't forget that each module of your book has lots of videos, so you can use those. Certainly you can go out on Google as well. Either way is fine. Okay, so good luck this week, and I hope you have a good spring break. I'll see you in 2 weeks.